To get back button on iPhone 17 Pro Max, the only way to do this is just to use this floating circle. So take a look, step by step. You have to open the settings for the first. Now you have to go for accessibility and you have to go for that touch option. And you have to turn on the AssistiveTouch, click on this switcher, and now when this circle pop up over here, you have to click in this place. Now we have to set a custom one and click on the plus. You will get 1, 2, 3, 4 custom gestures. Click here, and now we have to make this gesture in this panel. You have to swipe quickly from the left side of your screen. Take a look. And release. Now click save in the right upper corner and set name for this shortcut. Click save. And now if you want to use it, click here, click on the custom and bring it to the screen and put it into the left side. And now we can just keep tapping like so to go back. And then if you want to go home, you have to click here. I know that it's not that useful like in the Android smartphones, but this is actually the only way to get a back button on the iPhone 17 Pro Max.